Look at this. There's 2,112 members in our trading group. Together, we're killing this market. I want to give a few shout outs to my trading group. CBC, thank you so much. I'm up $13,000 this week. Your group's amazing. I made $47,000 in April because of your setups. This person's up 2,400, 1,500, 647%. This person doubled my money after a phone call that we had just yesterday. This person said, I woke up and I had 73% gains in data. Thank you. I woke up with 58% gains while I was sleeping. Another $1,000. That's $4,000 in 7 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of Link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys to smash that like button for me. Trying to get a like spike going, 1,000 likes a video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, why not? The question is, I'm going to make sure that you're up to date on everything that's important that's going to make you a ton of money in the cryptocurrency space. I got some setups, TA, news that's relevant that moves the price, and I'll show you that today. Definitely leave a comment in the comment box, jumping right into the market. Posted this in group, and I'm like, you got to watch your alt BTC pairs when Bitcoin starts pumping because they take a hit, right? And I'll show you that in just a second. Yeah, you can see you got this kind of inverse head and shoulders type pattern, kind of the rounded bottom as well. So this is kind of a bullish pattern. So when this price action comes here and pumps, you got this volume right here. Let volume be your guide. Volume tells you, hey, the entire market is reacting to something in this candle right here. You can see it broke through this overhead resistance right here, and then what is important is it came back down and it retested. Retest bring more buyers into the market. Possible that we move up here to about 9,800, 9,900, the upper trend line. Now look, check this out. So at 6:16, about 50 minutes ago, I posted because I'm worried about Bitcoin because you got this like bullish pattern over here. And I'm thinking, man, your alt BTC pairs are going to get wrecked when Bitcoin pops, when Bitcoin pumps, right? And so, so I posted, hey, if Bitcoin pumps, watch your alt BTC pairs. They will take a hit. Pay attention to Bitcoin. And look what happens with Link. See these alt BTC pairs? They get wrecked when Bitcoin pumps. So why? It's because Link is being compared to the performance of Bitcoin. So it's important to understand how these charts work. Man, listen. I have so many alt USDT charts that just exploded based on this idea. I want to go freaking check them. What are these other altcoins doing? Tether's down 1%. Why? Why is Tether red? Because people are selling Tether to buy essentially Bitcoin. Now it doesn't show that price rise here. What's going on? Boom. Look at that. Booming. Now, where's it going to end up is the question. Where is it going to end up? This is freaking exciting. Bitcoin has got to break this level. 10,000. Okay, there's a bunch of resistance at 10,000. I mean, essentially it broke out of this rising wedge to the upside. FOMO City. New retail is jumping right into the market. Retail is excited. Now, stay grounded. It's got to break 10,000 and then run up here and get above 10,500 and hold it on the daily. You've got the daily candle closing. So really, like, I want to see this. The next test is here. This resistance, possibly an SR flip and a bounce. Okay, but you need a daily candle close. Okay, so this pattern is essentially breaking out as we speak. There's 49 minutes until this 4-hour chart closes, so we need more data, but Boom. Bitcoin. Pretty nice gains out of Bitcoin. It's not even registering on CoinMarketCap. 9,800. 9,800. Why is that? Killing it. Look at Binance. Bitcoin ran from 9,800, 10,100. Look at this thing. Are you freaking serious? Look at that candle. That's freaking Star Wars lightsaber. It's all about to happen, baby. So listen, mega moon soon. I gotta completely redo this video, man. No, not really. All right, so Bitcoin's breaking above 10,000, 10,200. FOMO City. The retail is just jumping in. Here we go. Retail, go ahead and get in. That's what's crazy is, and this can change, but what's crazy is we've been talking about a halving sell-off forever because it happened one time. One time ever, we had a halving sell-off. Shorts right now are getting destroyed because let me clean up this chart a little bit. Think about it, because if you're betting against Bitcoin, right? If you're looking for a move to the downside for Bitcoin, you're essentially going to open your short positions at the top of this range, right? So here people are shorting, short squeeze. And so what the shorts do is they start going long, and they cover their shorts so they don't get completely wrecked, right? So it's a short squeeze, they're covering, and then Bitcoin pumps crazy. Wonder what kind of wick we're going to see. What is going to happen? Man, I can't. Dude, I love this space. Like, this is freaking exciting. This is amazing. Glad I just loaded up on some USDT paired altcoins. Bitcoin, boom. I hope they take off. This is the mempool size for Bitcoin. It only took 3 weeks for Bitcoin to empty the mempool. The network is 100% stable now. So you remember, after the halving, you have a lot of miners that capitulate. They sell their Bitcoin or they shut off their miners, and they move and they mine something else that's more profitable. Well, the fees for transactions on the Bitcoin network are back to normal, so miners' revenue is also normalized as well. I talked to you guys about Neo less than a week ago, and I gave you this setup and I gave you this chart and I told you not to trade it, and it's pretty, because obviously none of this is financial advice. It is completely entertainment. It did break out. Neo, one of the top movers. You see, you got pretty decent gains. I think it was like 20% gains out of Neo right here, which is decent for a larger cap coin. Then I found this. Ontology 2.0 is kicking off. Layer 2 enabled and accessible. They have a business suite, a faster and cheaper leading enterprise platform. There's some other key functions that they've added as well. Ontology 2.0. Here's the important thing about Ontology and Neo, Gas, and ONG. They move together. So as soon as you see Neo moving, you know to look at Ont. Or if you see Ont moving, you know to look at Neo. Check out Gas. Check out ONG, which is Ontology's Gas, right? This is Ontology USDT, this setup I posted in group. Midterm hold idea after the breakout. It's always good to get a retest, but it doesn't always happen, and it didn't in this situation. I've talked to you guys about this before. Pause this, write this down on your whiteboard. These coins like to run together. Ontology, you can see Ontology broke out shortly after that. Now it's going to be a lot higher now because Bitcoin just made a move to the upside. So I posted a handful of setups, and it seems like just about every one of them broke to the upside earlier today. OMG Network, you've been waiting for it. We've been waiting for it. And well, here it is soon. We present you the OMG Network version 1 public mainnet beta. It's fully trustless, low cost, high throughput. You can transfer value, the same level of security as Ethereum. What's interesting is I posted this setup last night before I knew anything about this OMG news. And just because somebody called it out in group, I've got 2,150 people working together. They're hollering out, hey, what's moving? What's moving? So OMG posted it real quick. Boom, 14% gains out of OMG. So again, here's your targets up here. There's obviously still, it'd be great to see some type of pullback, probably this continued higher because of that Bitcoin pump that's essentially playing out as we speak. This is, you guys remember Storm? I talked to you guys about this Storm. I gave you Storm setup when it was at 20 Satoshis and you're buying the breakout. Well, you know what? You'd be up about 35% if you bought that breakout right now. Storm was was the top performer at one point on Binance. Man, this market right now is so fun to trade because these news pumps, like you can find a bullish setup, put some news behind it. It is golden. It is gold. It's amazing how fun this altcoin market is to trade. And this was the tweet that I talked to you guys about the Storm token turning into STMX and possibly Binance picking it up. So again, news pump city, throw in some TA and, you know, bots, traders buy on technicals, and retail, regular people like us buy on news. Somebody in my group stated, I'm driving and I'm on my cell, and I can envision this person like driving on their cell phone. But is it a cup and handle with upper resistance at 70? I'm just eyeballing it and I forgot to send my limit order to sell and I want to catch it before it tops. Do not drive and trade. Do not text and drive. And probably in most areas it's illegal. But the main thing is we're trading against the elite. Do you think you can take their money while you're trying to watch what you're doing, while you're trying to trade on your phone, you're trying to do all these things at the same time? Listen, you can't. This is a business. Treat it as such. You shouldn't be like waking up and like, oh no, buy, sell, or driving. I cannot trade while I drive. That's nuts. So don't do this. Be careful. You cannot compete while you're driving. I gave you guys Poly yesterday with a testnet coming up this month, and Poly popped. It was up like 28% right after I released the video. Zilliqa has got a lot of upside. It's all about timing. There's a monthly candle, huge green candle out of Zilliqa. Keep an eye on Zilliqa. Again, it's all about timing. Got to get in on a pullback. Crypto at your fingertips, announcing Gemini's partnership with Samsung's blockchain. Somebody hit me up in group and said, hey, check this out. This is awesome. But what's interesting is Samsung blockchain. Samsung has a blockchain, apparently. Obviously, they have cryptocurrency wallets in their phone built in now. So Samsung and Gemini have a partnership where Samsung blockchain is going to power the Samsung blockchain wallet, and they're going to integrate this with an exchange. This is the first time they're saying that this has ever happened. Gemini is the first U.S. crypto exchange and custodian to partner with Samsung. This integration will bring crypto to the fingertips of Samsung blockchain wallet users in the United States and Canada. Mainstream adoption happening right before our eyes. So, double shout out to my trading group. Listen to this. This person stated, I've been applying what I've learned in your videos, and I've got a ton of active trades, and I'm up a couple dozen thousands. A dozen thousands is a lot, right? So that's pretty amazing gains. Shout out to this person. I made $8,400 this weekend trading your setups. I learned everything I know about trading from you, Chris. Omisigo price surges following Tether integration. So now Bitfinex has integrated tethered USDT on the OMG network. Faster, cheaper transactions. More OMG news. Matic price crumbles 20% amid mainnet launch. Yes, expect this to happen time and time again. Mainnet sell-offs. You get any type of news hype run-up, it's going to sell off a lot of times before the actual event occurs. Like you'll get these coin drops, these airdrops happening sometimes, and everybody's trying to get the free coins. Everybody's trying to get the free coins. Hype, buying. And then all of a sudden it sells off. And all these people trying to get these free coins lost money by being in these coins because they bought it, and they sell off. Like these traders, they don't care about the coins being dropped. They're trading that hype run-up. This is another cool site called Crypto Bubbles, cryptobubbles.net. You want to see what's popping in crypto? You go here, let's say you want to go to the day, and you can see Neo, OMG, Vechain, Zilliqa, Link. It'll show you the top movers as it happens. So you're able to kind of keep track of what's going on in the market a lot easier. Here's another idea, and this is multicoincharts.com. And you can essentially, this is 6 charts on one screen. You could potentially put 12, but they get kind of small, possibly more, 4, 6. But the point is this. I just want to show you. So Bitcoin's pumping, and look what these alt BTC pairs do. You can see FET is getting wrecked. What is this? Algo BTC is getting wrecked. Like these pairs, these BTC trading pairs, a lot of times they falter because the performance of these coins is being compared to Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin is pumping, these coins have to outperform Bitcoin to move higher. So you get red candles printed on these alt BTC pairs when Bitcoin is pumping. Oh man, it broke out. totally just skipped a beat on us. Boom. Facebook's Libra will play a huge role in the future of money. I don't want to hear this, Chris. This is a crypto channel. I don't want to hear about Facebook's Libra. I want it to crawl under a rock and just disappear. However, this person thinks that money is going to be digital in a decade. I love the sounds of that because that gives Bitcoin mainstream adoption. It's going to happen a lot sooner. In a decade, 2030, do you think money is going to be digital in a decade? Libra, this person stated, is going to play a huge role in the transformation. God, mainstream adoption is also mainstream competition. Ripple's on-demand liquidity in Australia records new all-time high. Well, dude, this is amazing, but I want to know what's going to move the price. That's what I'm concerned about. I just feel like you get a lot of this fluff in crypto, right? You get a lot of this fluff news. And what's really important, I mean, let's face it, people come into cryptocurrency to make life-changing money, right? And so you want news. This news never moves the price of XRP. It just doesn't. XRP's market cap is so large. That's why I like trading these small altcoins. Like, I don't even know what they are half the time, but you know what? I know how they move, and I know that other people are buying them, and I know that there's bullish setups, and I know that I can make profits, and I know that you guys can make profits, and that's why I keep you guys updated on these small cap cryptos. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.